Subscribe. Add beef minced. Add water. Add 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder. Add black pepper, cumin seeds, cinnamon stick, cloves. Add chopped ginger, garlic. Add oil. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Cooked it for 20 minutes on medium flame. Mix it. Add chopped onion. Add chopped tomatoes. Add chopped green chilies. Mix it. Cooked it for 10 minutes on low flame. Mix it. Add nali. Mix it. Let's dish out. Ready. Subscribe. Hope you like it.